Hey, it's Hannes. Welcome to this video. I want to show you today a true Christmas classic, Silent Night, on guitar, obviously. And before we start, I want to recommend you to check out my free lessons for guitar. You find the link in the description under this video. So, I will play for you what I've prepared for you, Silent Night on guitar. Beautiful piece of music, and I play it in the key of C major, just to let you know for the theory nerds out there. And the important thing to know is that this melody can be divided into five different parts. That makes it easier to remember and easier to learn. And I will start now with the first part. So we have. That's our first part. So we start with the open G string, then the second fret of the G string, open G string again, and second fret D string. G, A, G, E. Those are the names of the tones we just played. G, A, G, E. And again, G, A, G, all for the tab nerds. 0, 2, 0, 2. 0, 2, 0, 2. This part you play twice. So. By the way, I play everything with downstrokes here. Next part. We start with the ring finger in the third fret of the B string. Play that twice. And open B string. So. And then first fret. Twice. And the open G string. So. 3, 3, 0. 1, 1, 0. The notes are called D, D, B, C, C, G. Again. Again. And from the top, first part, two parts. Repeat that. And second part. Now we come to the third part. This part will be played twice. So, we start in the second fret of the G string, twice, and then we go in the first fret of the B string, open B string, back to the second fret of the G string, open G string, 2, 0, and second fret D string is the last note. So, we have 2, 2, 1, 0, 2, 0, 2, 0, 2. 2, 2, 1, 0, 2, 0, 2, 0, 2. And again. 2, 2, 1, 0, 2, 0, 2, 0, 2. And again. 2, 2, 1, 0, 2, 0, 2, 0, 2. Let's play from the top till there. By the way, we are in a 6/8 time signature. You could call it like this, or 3/4, depending on how you define it. But we have to count not in a 4/4 measure. So we have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Third part. Repeat that third part. And now we come to the fourth part. In the third fret of the B string it starts twice. At the first fret of the E string, back to the third fret of the B string, open B string, first fret B string, and open E string. So 3, 3, 1, 3, 0, 1, 0. 3, 3, 1, 3, 0, 1, and open E string. And again, third fret B string, first fret, back, open E string. Open E string, sorry. Let's play from the beginning till there. And we start on the open G string. First fret, open G string, second fret, G string, repeat that, third fret B string, first fret E string, back, first fret E string, and open E string. And now we come to the last part, the fifth part. Start in the first fret of the B string, then the open G string, and second fret D string. This is the upper structure of a C major chord there. Open G string, and then third fret D string, open D string, and final third fret A string. So 1, open, second fret, open string, 3, open, 3. 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 3. 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 3. So from the top, slowly together, I count 2 bars ahead. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Repeat that. Third fret B string, open string and first fret B string, and open G string, second fret G fret D string, and repeat that. Second fret A, G string, third fret B string, first fret E string, back to the third fret, open, sorry, open E string, and at the end you might play just a C major chord as a final beautiful ending, if you already can play that chord. So obviously this was a version for beginners out there who want to play that beautiful Christmas melody, and I hope you had a lot of fun playing and learning it. If you want to learn some more cool stuff for beginners, check out my free lessons in the video description under this video. And thanks for watching. I'm Hennis. Take care. See you in the next video. Bye.